Roost 43 is in the house. Guys, I don't know what to say. It's a fifth wheel, it's a destination trailers, it's all of the above. You need to come to Best RV and see it. It's worth the drive. Unbelievable. The Wildwood Heritage Glen Roost 43. I never seen this in my life. Coming in, let's see it. Gentlemen, I don't know. Look, nice, beautiful, L-shaped living room. It's a separate, I don't want to say it, 3-bedroom apartments, 2 bathrooms. It's loaded. Beautiful L-shaped living room, plus 65-inch TV, a nice fireplace. Unbelievable. All of that. You have a second floor. So I have to go to the second floor if I want to have my kids upstairs. So in-laws, kids, you name it. This is just only 2 areas. A living room, upstairs room, a beautiful kitchen, and then a second bathroom, another bedroom upstairs, another major master suite with bathroom inside. Nice, beautiful stairs to take you to a beautiful loft bed. Unbelievable. I could sleep 2 people here. 2 people living here upstairs over the living room. Unbelievable. I could add another TV here if I want to watch a TV in my second room. A lot of closets, places for socks. I'm coming from the second floor. As you notice, a living room and there's upstairs room. Look at this kitchen. I wish I have this in my house. A beautiful 4-burner oven. Look how big the oven. 4-burner range. Residential microwave 30-inch. Even they have a plug for charging phones. Oh, unbelievable. Look this pantry. Huge pantry. I could put all my cereals, all my canned food. And this unbelievable sink. Oh my God, I don't have that. It's a waterfall. It's a waterfall sink. Plus a cup washing. Unbelievable. It's amazing. Oh, beautiful. This is refrigerator. How big the freezers. Fridge. Place for coffee maker, toasters. You have it all. You don't need to buy a house. Why you need to buy a house? This is the house. It's house on wheels. Look at this shower. Oh my God, coming in. It has folding table for laundry. If I wanted to run, I have my washer, dryer, separate unit. And then I have a place with a hidden storage in my shower. I could take a shower, wash my clothes, porcelain toilet. And I love this sink. Oh, that's a 5-star sink. Infinity shelf. I have a fan here. Oh, nice. Nice, unbelievable. So, as you see guys, you have a master living room here. Upstairs, over the living room, a beautiful kitchens, complete kitchen. Huge shelves upstairs. You can put your souvenirs, whatever you like to put at the top. A wine rack, huge pantry, big counter stairs. Look, how is it? Nice. I can have my breakfast while I'm talking to my wife and kids. I can watch a TV, nice beautiful fireplace, all of it. Believe me, the new houses, they don't have that stuff. And even if you buy a house or rent an apartment, you have to buy all the stuff. This comes with it, complete. What you see is what you're gonna get. Then you go here, we're going to the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom. You have a loft, hold 2 people. I could put another TV here. I put too many TVs. I could put 4 TVs in this fifth wheel destination, whatever you want to call it, because I don't know what to call it. It's the Roost 43. Unbelievable. Then this is a heaven. This is a heaven. A king size master suite with my own TV, my own fireplace. It's loaded. I have a lot of windows in the morning when I have my cup of coffee. Ladies, you have a counter space. You have a nice place for vanity, for your makeup. You could even USB charge, 110 for hair dryers, tray for makeup, whatever you want to call it. A laptop. I have a laptop here if you have to work from your home. And I don't have to walk all the way down to get my bathroom. I have my own sink. I have my own toilet. Look here. Come look. I love this nice touch. Unbelievable. Even I have my own window in my bathroom. That's nice. It's old. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say, gentlemen. It's a 3-bedroom apartment, 2-bedroom apartment. But you want to call it fifth wheel? You can. You want to call it destination? You can. But Forest River, Glen, they did it right. You have king size bed, master suite. You have your own half bath. You have a master bathroom downstairs with a washer and dryer. You have a loft for kids. You have another bedroom over your living room for also kids. So I could sleep 2, 4 downstairs. This is how a bed down there. I could sleep 2 here. I could sleep 6 to 8. This is a perfect place. You don't have to rent an apartment from now on. You don't have to buy a house. You need to buy the ROOST43 from West RV. We have amazing prices. We assure you the lowest price in this side of the country, Western state. Coming into West RV, come look at the ROOST43 and enjoy it. It's no one have it. No one make one like this one. You're gonna be the only one having it. And come to West RV, and we have the best and the lowest prices. And the most important thing, no hidden fees. We make this fifth wheel ready for you at no cost to you. We wash it, clean it, prep it. We spend 2 to 3 hours to show everything is work and functions. All the service for free. The others, they have a bunch of already packages fees. We do not. We're here to give you the best experience, the best price, and the best product. Come to Best RV.